Hi guys, Rovers MMI Box also here today. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is on a Mercedes C-Class. It's for the 4.5, 4.7 NTG, but we've also got for the 5.02. Just going to show you what we've installed. Obviously you can see here, this is the NTG menu. All we need to do is hold the back button down below and it goes into CarPlay mode. So I'm just going to keep the video short today guys, because obviously I think you know what, going off the back of all of the videos and what CarPlay boxes are. As you can see, it's nice and responsive. Got working with the command paddle down below here. Also it's got Android Auto. This is a wireless connection on the CarPlay today, but if you've got any questions, give us a shout and we'll get back to you shortly. Thanks very much, take care.